So hi guys, this is our new house. This is in the back side, no, not exactly in the other side. Let's go inside. Here, as you can see, this is the entrance. Look at in the outer. Let's completely bike anymore here. As you can see, but it's okay. This is stairs for upstairs, a second stairs. We have also stairs in the other side. Here. And here is the garden area. Yeah. And here is the stairs. This is another pantry. We start already putting boxes. This is the entrance of the front, and this is the kitchen. It's okay. So let's look here. Wait. Oh, I don't know how to. Okay. So this is exactly the entrance in the front. So you can see here and here. So this is exactly the entrance. Let's see, where's the downstairs? Let's close it again. Here is the living room. We will live here for the meantime. Because we have to renovate upstairs. We will live here. This is a room. So for the meantime, we will sleep here. We will go to the upstairs. Okay, you can see the stairs. It's so dirty. Here, nothing finished. This is a room, a sleeping room. And here. This another sleeping room. Look at to do a lot of things. Here is the kitchen. Let's go first. So we will make kitchen here. We will live exactly upstairs or downstairs. We will live that. There's the kitchen. And we will make the living room here. has, it's a little bit big. And this is the garden area. Look, you can go down here. As you can see, there's a lot of old things. Okay. And this is, we can make a little house. So let's go to the other room. So you can see it here. This is the kitchen again. Here. Another sleeping room. Here it's almost, you only need to paint these things even eating. Things are really not done here. Look at this. And this. And this. So this is the hallway. This is also, you can look at the living room. Big. And here. So this is the stairs. Go to the garage. This also. Look. And this is going up. So, here. You can go also out here.